Hello and welcome to Forest Thrills. In today's video, we're in the Holiday Inn at Watford Junction and we're here for the Harry Potter studio tour. So join us. In today's video, we'll give you the full tour and at the end, we'll let you know exactly what we thought. Before we go any further, make sure you click down below and click that subscribe button. And let's go, guys. So as usual with our room tours, I'll start off at the door with some fire safety information, and just below we've got a peephole. Down here we've got this little door sign and we've got this popped out, so make sure you put that on the door if you want your room serviced. To the side, in with your key card and you have power. Just above as well actually, before I miss it, that's the controls for the aircon. Now I'll spin you around and show you the room. Plenty of space. Well, firstly, I'll start right at the entrance. We do have a full length mirror, and up above they've left us a little message, so that's quite nice. Just next to that though, we do have this sort of luggage storage area. You can see we've loaded that up, and above that there's a nice TV as well. Samsung flat screen. To the side we've got a coffee machine, a couple espresso cups, some pods for the machine. There was 4, I have used 2. And above that we do have a menu. I've actually took the food menu out, but I shall scan over this and give you a little view. Feel free to pause it if there's anything that you want to check out. Just to the side of that, there's your hairdryer. They do give you some complimentary water. One is sparkling and the other is still. There's some Walker's shortbread cookies, and this is the food menu that I took out. Also feel free to pause it if there's anything that catches your eye and you want to know the price. The rest of the stuff on here is just our junk. However, there are a couple plug sockets, a couple USB ones, and there's also a big mirror. Right here we have a little chair for the desk, bins below, there's also the safe, and in here it pulls out, this is what I call the goodies. We've got our milks, teas, coffees, hot chocolate, all the good stuff. And before I miss it as well, there's a little storage area here, and they do give you a mini fridge, which is nice. Now those at the top are ours, they don't come with a room, however these do. Got a Diet Coke and an original Coke, also a Twix, so that is pretty cool. To the side we have a sofa bed. It's pretty large and it's very comfy. I've not slept in it, but to sit on it, extremely comfy. And out there we have the window. Out there, over here I mean. Let me see if I can show you the view. It's pretty dark, you can't really see much, but you're not missing much, guys. There's a car park out there. Close that over. Just there we have the bathroom, which I'll show you just shortly. And round the corner from that we have the main feature of the room, which is the double bed. Start off on this side. We've got a lamp. There's also a little reading lamp. And just below that we've got a telephone, a couple plug sockets, and we have this bedside table with plenty of storage space. There's nothing in the drawers, but lots of space to store things. Above the bed, we've got some flowers on the wall, some nice artwork. And on the other side It is pretty similar, except no drawers. Some space below though, couple sockets, there's a lamp. This one doesn't really work too well, however we do have the reading lamp, and just behind me, quite close for space, but we do have a wardrobe, an open wardrobe. We've got plenty of coat hangers in there. Show you behind that, because we've got an iron and an ironing board, and just above we've got some extra pillows there, and there's bathrobes and some slippers. Nearly forgot what those were called. Yeah, there's some slippers complimentary for you to use. And I missed this as well, but there is a little chair for you to sit into. But stay tuned, because next up I'm going to take you and show you the bathroom. So just in here is the bathroom. Give you a quick overview and I'll show you in detail. I'll start off at the sink. Nice big sink. We've got some complimentary toiletries here, hand wash and some body lotion. It's Dove, so that's quite nice. Got a little storage space above. In the corner there's some tissues. That's mine. And a couple of face cloths though, and a shower cap just there. There's a couple of glasses, we filled one of them. Little vanity mirror. Ports there for shavers. And of course, full size mirror right there. Below that we've got the toilet, some toilet roll on the wall, and below just there, I'm not actually sure what that is. Some kind of socket or something, rather worn looking though. There's some sanitary bags on the wall. There's also this, in case you forgot anything, they're happy to provide that. So that's pretty cool from Holiday Inn. Down below we've got the bin, and behind me of course we've got the shower. Handheld head up there, and it's also a bath too. Got bath mat, hand towel, and the rest of your towels are just up above on the storage rack. Controls are just on the wall. Little grab rail, extra storage space, and there are some more complimentary toiletries in here. We've got a body wash, shampoo and conditioner, so it's nice that they've provided that as well. It's a pretty basic bathroom, as you can see, but most importantly to us anyway, is that it's clean. It ticks the boxes guys, it's clean and it does the job. What more can you really want? So you've seen the room tour, let us know down in the comments, what do you think? We paid £165 per night for these executive rooms here at the Holiday Inn, and the question I usually ask is, was it rubbish or was it worth it? I'm going to answer that with, it was absolutely worth it. As I mentioned at the start of the video, we stayed here for the Warner Brothers studio tour, and the location alone of this hotel made it absolutely worth it. It was a 2-minute walk just along the road, so we could get the coach bus straight to the studio tour, and that was free with our tickets we bought already online. So the location was spot on. The friendliness of the staff has been brilliant. The extra little touches like on the mirror, and even the cans of Coke in the fridge and the Twix. Those aren't 100% necessary, but they just made the stay that extra bit more comfortable. I want to give a shout out to our server last night. We went for dinner and the server Sai, he was brilliant. He was cracking jokes, he was a funny, great guy and made the stay that extra bit better. Now the food, I'm going to get into that. We went down to the restaurant and we tried it last night. I'll show you our starter. And this here is the chorizo and baby new potatoes. We had something called the chorizo bites. It was like baby new potatoes and chorizo. A thumbs up from us. We love chorizo. If you know me, you know that's my favourite. And for the main course, I had the ribeye steak and Tash had the steak and ale pie. And for our mains, I've ordered the 8-ounce ribeye steak. comes with a tomato and a rather burnt mushroom. And Tash here, she's got the steak and ale pie. So hopefully it's good. Now those were pretty decent, and if I was to score it out of 10, I don't usually do food reviews here, but if I was to score the restaurant out of 10, maybe a 7, 8, it was pretty good. I'll show you guys the food that we had and you can let me know as well, what do you think of that? So if I was to recommend a hotel for any of you guys to stay if you're coming to London, especially if you're going to the Warner Brothers studio tour, then I definitely recommend this one. If you've watched this far and you haven't given us a thumbs up, then please make sure you do, and as well, click down below and click subscribe. Ring the little bell at the top for our notifications for the next time that we post, and from us both here at Forest Thrills, thanks for watching.